Today, we are going to walk through a demo of our distribution management system. Before we get into the system itself, let me take a moment to introduce our company. Bharuva Solutions Private Limited is a proud $6 billion Patanjali Group company. We are an ISO certified and CMMI Level 3 certified organization, known for building AI-driven products that focus on innovation and reliability. We serve a diverse range of industries, and today, with our DMS solution, we are serving more than 150 plus clients, 15K distributors and 235K retailers. BSPL is also recognized as one of the fastest growing SaaS-based companies, providing customized solutions such as DMS, ERP, HMS, POS, WMS, and more. These are our renowned clients in different sectors like manufacturing, dairy, banking, automotive, and others. Over the years, our work has been recognized with several prestigious awards, including the Emerging Company of the Year, the Golden Pinnacle Award, the Product of the Year Award, and the Company of the Year Award. From a technology standpoint, our solutions are built on the latest stack. The front end uses Angular, the back end is built on .NET, and we use SQL databases to ensure stability, security, and high performance. Now, let's look at some of the top features of our DMS. Centralized Operation Management allows you to access reports of any branch office while sitting at the head office. Flexible configurations according to the business model, COCO, COFO, etc. Manage inventory and accounting seamlessly. BI tool for customized reporting. Retailer ordering app. Retailers can place orders directly with distributors while viewing prices, schemes, and offers. Time interval delivery management. Branch area-wise price lists. Multi-conditional schemes and offers. Loyalty point management to help retain customers. Extensive inbuilt reports with customization options. Location-wise visibility, showing items at specific locations as required. Market trend analysis to support strategy building. Vehicle and van management. Reorder management. In short, Bharuva's BDMS equips you with complete control and visibility over your distribution network. Now, let's move into the live demo of DMS. After entering the URL and your credentials, the system takes you to the dashboard. The dashboard is designed for quick access. On the dashboard, you will find shortcuts to important transactions such as purchase orders, PO deliveries, purchase invoices, and sales invoices. On the right-hand side, we provide a business flashcard, which is a snapshot of your business in real time. It shows you today's sales, monthly sales, sales returns, high-value transactions like cash and credit bills, as well as payment collections through different modes such as cash, credit, and wallets. You also get purchase information, today's purchases, monthly totals, and payments made to suppliers. At the top of the dashboard, you can also see alerts about near expiry stock, helping you act quickly and avoid losses. Now, let's move on to creating some masters. For master creation, we click on Master and then select Customer Master. After clicking on Customer Master, we can see multiple options. By selecting New Customer, we can create a new customer. The customer is the one to whom we sell, and the supplier is the one from whom we purchase. To create a customer, we define details such as customer name, mobile number, address, etc. All the start fields are mandatory. We can also define the payment mode, taxation information, other information, bank details, multiple delivery addresses, loyalty points, interest calculation, sales details, and fingerprint details. By using the import customer option, we can import customer data, so there is no need to create customers manually. Similarly, we can also export customer data. By clicking on Supplier Master, we can create a supplier just as we created a customer. We click on New Supplier and then define the following details: name, address, mobile number, payment information, tax information, GST information, bank details, etc. We also have the import supplier option available. So, this completes our master creation process for both the party master and customer master. Now, let's move to the product master. In inventory info, we find the product master. By clicking on product master, we can view the products that have already been created. To create a new product, click on Add Product. Here, we define the product name, base unit, and other required information. We can also define alternate units such as kilograms, grams, etc. Additionally, we can set details like the maximum discount for the item, GST or tax information, and assign categories such as FMCG items, cosmetic items, etc. In the other section, we can specify details like warehouse, rack number, default sale unit, etc. We can also set prices and upload product images. Furthermore, items can be imported or exported, which saves a lot of time. This completes the item creation process. Now, let's move to the procurement part. For that, we go to Transaction and select Purchase. Depending on your business requirements, you can start with an indent, followed by a purchase order, then a purchase invoice, or you can directly create a purchase invoice. In the purchase invoice, we define supplier name, PO number, invoice number, amount. Next, we click on barcode. Using barcodes, purchases can be entered automatically, or we can manually select items to enter the purchase. Here, we also define batch details and quantity. Multiple units such as cartons, kilograms, etc. can be entered. All related information such as cost price, MRP, selling price, and profit is displayed. By pressing the Save button, the purchase invoice is saved. We can then view the print preview, which is fully customizable as per requirement. Now, the invoice has been successfully saved. This completes the purchase process. Next, let's move to sales. In the sales module, depending on your requirement, you can go for a quotation, sales order, etc. or directly create a sales invoice. After defining the customer, date, and other details, select the items for sale. All the created batches will appear here. Select the batch, define the quantity, and complete the sale. Payment can be defined as cash or credit before saving the transaction. After that, we move to the reporting part. In the reports module, we have multiple reports. Inventory reports, sales reports, centralized reports to view branch reports from the head office, purchase reports, master reports. In favorite reports, you can add the reports you use most frequently, so you don't have to navigate through menus repeatedly. Additional reports are available as per requirement. Next is financial accounting, where all financial transactions can be managed. This is our financial dashboard, which contains various menus and important voucher entries such as journal, debit note, credit note, contra payment, income, expenses. On the right side, we get information about vouchers, counts, amounts, balance sheet data, and profitability. From these menus, you can perform various operations such as posting accounting vouchers, entering opening balances, account posting, bank reconciliation, GST reports, and other tax reports. In financial reports, we can access multiple reports, including voucher register, day book, cash book, bank book. In additional reports, we can view critical reports like accounts receivable, ledger details, salesman-wise outstanding, etc. The final report section provides profit and loss statements, ratio analysis, and in financial analysis, we can access the trial balance, P&L, balance sheet, opening reports, and centralized reports. This was a brief overview of the DMS, which is fully customizable as per your requirements. Our DMS solution provides several benefits. Scalability. As your business grows, our product scales to meet your evolving requirements. Data security. We are GDPR certified, General Data Protection Regulation, ensuring your data is secure. Seamless implementation. We provide smooth implementation from start to finish, fulfilling all your requirements. Training. After implementation, we provide training for different team members and a user guide to help understand and use the product effectively. Thank you for watching the DMS demo.